Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see here we've got the section with the ringtone and basically the sounds. So let me tap on the phone ringtone. As you can see, it is divided between two different SIM cards, which is a cool option because you can set different ringtone for one card and totally another for the second one. So let me tap on it. Here you can pick the card for which you are changing the ringtone, and let's focus on what we've got here. So as you can see here we've got the section music on device and video ringtones, which simply means that you're able to pick your own files and set them as a ringtone, of course if you've got any compatible ones, just like I have for example, or the video ringtones. Here we've got some preset, so those which are installed here by a default, and at the very bottom of this list we've got this option none, and after picking it, basically your device will not use any sound to notify you about the incoming call, so it's up to you if you want to pick this option or not. If you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it. What is more, you will be able to feel the vibrations which are applied, because as you can see you've got the vibration section, and here you can decide what kind of vibration you will have, so long, short, beat, swing, tap, 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 etc. So you can check both of those options at the same time, and if you will decide that you like this ice dance for example, or let me pick neon, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on we just successfully added or applied the ringtone, and your device will use it to notify about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.